Qazaq Kuresi is a type of martial art that is intrinsically linked with the history and the lives of the Qazaq people. Its beginnings go back centuries and have been consolidated over time. It has helped to bring numerous people closer together. Wrestling has helped Kazakhs to overcome adversity and to give them joy. No traditional festivities take place in Kazakhstan without these sporting competitions. Representatives from more than 33 countries have taken part in such events. The participants come from every continent across the globe, except Antarctica. This is a thoroughly exciting and captivating type of martial art. The aim of the bout is to throw one's opponent onto their back. The main difference between Qazaq Kuresi and other martial arts is that here, one can only be victorious if a person is able to combine being both quick-witted and experienced with having physical strength and being able to move quickly. Qazaq Kuresi has kept elements from its distinctive national character. However, it is constantly evolving and is introducing new trends from the global arts of wrestling, while it is also trying to win new audiences around the world.